Hello everyone, this is Mingjong. Happy weekend. So let's start with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. So I'll just start with a recap of Thursday price action, the 9th of April 2020. So as you can see here, so this is the last bar on the 9th of April, Thursday, because yesterday was a Good Friday, public holiday. There isn't any trading session on yesterday, so this is the last bar here, and we can see that it's still a bullish bar, although that it actually tested 2800 but get rejected, but the close is relatively bullish. However, one thing that we should take note of is there is presence of supply, as you can see here. So as compared to this bar here, and we have increase of the volume, but the spread and the distance travel on that day is actually lesser. So this two bar here actually give us some hint that there is actually presence of the supply, yet we can't really see lots of the bearish results. So just need to bear in mind, one thing that we can see from this here is shortening of the truss. I think we can just go into H4 for a better view and better to comprehend on the H4 time frame, because as you can see, so there we go. As we can see on this H4 time frame chart, the upward thrust is actually getting shorter. So we can see that we actually have a large wave here, but this one is getting a bit smaller. So if we draw up a trend line here and then just join these 2 points here, we can actually see some sort of the like rising wedge is actually a bearish pattern. But anyway, I think that if we actually compare in H4 time frame, like as we can see on this last two bar here, the spread is actually relatively small compared to 2 days ago. As we can see here, these two bar here, these two candles here are actually quite a large spread bar. So the volume we can see that is similar, but I would say that is slightly lesser than here. But the result we get compared to these two is actually bullish, as we can see in this bullish tail. So that definitely some buyers are in. As compared to here is straight sold off. So just compare this two bar with the two days ago's bar here. I think on a H4 time frame, we still probably have some sort of absorption characteristics. So I actually expect the continuation of the rally to actually inch up a little bit. Hopefully can test like 2850. As we can see here, I just mark it as a point here. So this is actually a resistance form previously. So it's actually probably coincide with this kind of the pattern. So maybe an overbought into this rising wedge, and subsequently maybe if we encounter emergence of the supply, then we'll see a start of the reaction or the down move. So at the moment, I'm still a little bit bullish, because there isn't any evidence of the supply to cause any damage to S&P E-mini S&P 500, the E-mini futures. So my intraday plan or the trading plan for intraday setup is actually to look at a long entry, maybe to look for 2750. A test, or well, a test of the 2750 could provide a good entry to ride it up a little bit. So the key levels that I'm watching is obviously the resistance to 800. So definitely this is the first line of the resistance. Second is actually the target around 2850. And the first level of the support I'm looking at is definitely 2750, as you can see around here. So one thing that we should be aware is, should this the E-mini 500 E-mini S&P 500 futures broke below 2750, 2700 is a very important level to watch, because should this broke down below 2700, I think that will signal the end of this whole uptrend. We should see really some sort of the testing of the lower levels, 2004, or even the selling climax low. Alright, that's it from me for now. So if you enjoyed this video, just click the like or comment below. Remember to follow me on the channel or even subscribe the channel. Alright, talk to you soon. Bye bye.